Today at the studio, we decided to test something very scientific. We gave the guys one simple mission. What scent would each guy want their woman to smell like? Choosing the scent you'd love your lady to wear. Easy, right? Let's just say the sniffing got serious real quick. This one took 5 whiffs and said, yes, that's wife material. Meanwhile, this guy was sniffing like his next relationship depended on it. And honestly, maybe it does. And one of them just picked what reminded him of a crush from high school. We are not naming names. One said, I want her to smell like mystery and vacation. Or maybe like a warm hug and a good plot twist. But the real fun? Seeing what everyone else picked. Time for the big reveal. Drum roll, please. They all picked completely different scents. Of course, let's just say scent is personal. Very personal. Apparently, love doesn't smell the same to everyone. But one thing's for sure, these noses know what they like. Who knew choosing perfumes could turn the office into a full-blown rom-com scene? Now tell us, what would you want your person to smell like?